Have you ever been thinking of getting French curl braid, but you are not sure if they are worth it? So today I'm gonna walk you through the entire process, like from the sectioning all the way to the final reveal.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Wow. Yeah, yeah. On your own.
Hi, my classic queens. Today, welcome to another video where we are creating something soft, something feminine, and something powerful. Today, we are doing the French curl braids. And I'm going to not just show you how it looks, but everything you need to know about, getting this type of hairstyle. So stay tuned to see how this wonderful braid, you see how it started already, is gonna turn out. So yeah, see you at the end.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart-earned
French curl braid. I know some of you don't really know what that is. They are kind of braided style that the end left soft, defined. The curl, you see, is not sealed or burn. It's like it gives this elegant, this luxury finish, you know. It's not like the regular knotless or regular, you know, bus braid. And as you can see, this is how it looks like.
Yo, funk the planet means jumpstart the world. Get to moving every man, woman, boy, and girl. Earth we preserve by love, we show to it. Little we don't do it, air can't pollute it. Learning like a student, the do's and don'ts. How we can do the most, only helping it grow. Keeping waterways clean so the water can flow. Keeping trees safe so we don't breathe CO2. We on duty and all deserve truly. A land that provides and thrives absolutely. Fruitful harvest, leaving nobody starving. Earth give us what we need with no problem. This is the only place we all call home. So it's very important that we all know. Funk the planet, don't junk it, the new model for a cleaner planet and a greener tomorrow.
Ooh, that's funky. You know it's time to funk the planet, 'cause I don't want to junk the world. Jump up and rockin' planet. For every man, woman, boy and girl, let's make the ecosystem rhyme, rhyme, rhyme. And funk the planet till it's fine, fine, fine.
Join the band, everyone plays a part, and help us funk the planet right from the start. A work of art, look at all of its features. Home for us all, even down to the smallest creatures. Pay attention, so many things this place can teach us. Everything having a reason for a season, like a butterfly with wings from a cocoon it leaves. What it don't need behind, just so it can shine. Everything happens in due time, part of an ecosystem, so that means we're bonded. Like notebook paper filled with many lines, filled with hope, seeing the sun shine. Let's only use the things that's gonna help us, and it's defined in a few letters. F-U-N-K, the planet, gotta save it today.
Ooh, that's funky. You know it's time to funk the planet, 'cause I don't want to junk the world. Jump up and rockin' planet. For every man, woman, boy, and girl, let's make the ecosystem rhyme, rhyme, rhyme. And funk the planet till it's fine, fine, fine. Hey, sing and dance and let's go.
Leaving you alone is the hardest. Even when you're out of focus, I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your harder temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your harder temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Wow. Yeah, yeah. On your own.
One thing people often overlook is the importance of neat padding. Your padding usually determines how polished your your final, I mean the final. The final is French, but we're not gonna be distracted, right? So I was saying like the pattern it determines how polished your final hairstyle will look. So I always take my time with making sure is each section is clean, even, and comfortable for the client. And another tip too, don't make the braid too tight. So, cause a hairstyle should be beautiful without causing like unnecessary tension on the scalp. Protecting your client's scalp and hair is always the priority. Alright, classy queens, stay classy or become one. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.